Okay, looking at this, I want to point out that the cosine of n, where n goes from 1 to infinity, starts to bounce around a lot. It's not an alternating series, by the way, all right? So, sometimes it's positive, sometimes it's negative. I'm going to say, pretty unpredictable, by the way, but it goes back and forth. But what I do know about it is the cosine of n is certainly going to be less than, let me just erase that and put that down again. The cosine of n is certainly bounded between 1 and minus 1. So what I want to do is, look at the absolute value of it, which is easier for me to deal with, by the way. So write this over here, and this is going to be n equals 1 to infinity. And I'm looking at cosine of n over n squared. And I'm going to put an absolute value symbol on it. Now, what do I know about this? When I do the absolute value symbol, it becomes a much easier problem for me. It's a positive term series. What do I know about this guy over here? I know this is going to be less than, I did that again. I know it's going to be less than or equal to something. What's going to be less than or equal to? The sum, n equals 1 to infinity, of 1 over n squared. All right? Now, what do I know about this thing over here? This thing converges. It's a convergent p-series. So what do I know about this series over here? It converges absolutely, all right? So it absolutely converges. So this statement is false. It's not conditional, it's absolutely convergent. Thank you.